Good morning, students. Welcome to PPS English class. I am Navneet. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to revise sound of A. So read carefully sound. Let's start. B-A-T, bat. Right here. B-A-T, bat. Write two times. B-A-T, bat. Next one is C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. F-A-T, fat. F-A-T, fat. F-A-T, fat. Students, always speak and write. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. Next one is M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. P-A-T, pat. Right here. P-A-T, pat. P-A-T, pat. R-A-T, rat. Right here. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. S-A-T, sat. S-A-T, sat. S-A-T, sat. This is B-A-N, ban. B says B, A says A, and N says N, ban. B-A-N, ban. B-A-N, ban. Next one is C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. Student, you have to do one page of sound of A. Write and learn carefully. Thank you.